Hi! Welcome to Crosscheck. Today, I'll show you how to capture a screenshot of a selected area using the Crosscheck extension. Click on Crosscheck extension. Select the Selected Area option. Capture a screenshot that clearly shows the bug. Now you can blur text, and add shapes as needed. You can view device general information, add comments, and attach files in the comments section for convenience. You can copy and download a screenshot. On clicking the Create button, a check will be created on the next tab. Here you can see the Console tab, Network tab, and Actions tab. You can also view the added comment. You can also download screenshots from checks. You can also reply to comments. Congratulations! Your check has been created. Now you can share the link with your colleagues.